And you've heard it enough times. We are completely overstimulated. We are completely bombarded with all these sort of things and keeping us busy. It's so hard for people to go to sleep now without their phone, and they're just kind of sitting there on their phone. Or they wake up first thing, their phone, next to their partner, and they're on their phone. You know, many of us are guilty for that. There's such a disconnect in it. And we've heard this again and again and again. And it's so hard for people to just stop. Just stop. Be still. Feel. My God, to feel. We forgot what it's like to really feel. As little children, we felt. We were so alive. We were running around, and, feeling alive. And then slowly, we disconnect from that aliveness, and we become in this sort of like rat race, tunnel vision of what I've got to get, and more things, and disconnect. And then we're like, it feels like we hit a wall. Eventually, if we don't stop ourselves, something will stop us. And we crash, we burn out, we get into a depression or anxiety or panic attacks, and then we can't understand, what the bleep how the hell did I end up here? So this is why Deep Dive. And I challenge you. I challenge you to come in to this process and to face whatever it is you need to face. Whether it's your biggest fears, whether it's your biggest anxiety, whether it's your I don't know what the hell's going to happen in my life, or I don't know where I'm going, or whether it's my relationship's not working, I feel so alone or isolated in my relationship, or whether I feel like I've got no passion in my life, or I feel bloody depressed. I ask you, come to Deep Dive and face that challenge. Face that challenge of the thing that keeps you in hiding. And what you come to notice when you come into a deep dive process is, first of all, that you're not alone in it. It's a big container that you step into. It's a big holding. And then you come to realize that this is a shared human experience. And then you come to realize, like, holy crap, my God, when I hear other people share and I share, that something starts to transform in the field. It goes deep, guys. But you have to be ready to go there. And when you're ready to go there and you're ready to show up, things start to move. And then not only a collaboration starts to happen, this feeling of a deep connection starts to happen, not only with yourself, but also with others. And you start to feel whole again. You start to feel home again. You start to feel purpose in your life again. You're just like, wow, where has this been in my life? And, we get to see the people's faces transform from day 1 to day 4. It's remarkable. So I challenge you, come to Deep Dive.